Welcome to Global Star Ltd, your Manpower supporter. We are authorized by Bangladesh Government Ministry. Our workers are working in various countries. Our workers are available in Middle East countries: Romania, Portugal, Poland, Malaysia. We have various types of workers. Construction workers such as mason, pipe fitter, carpenter, machine operator, plumber, painter, steel fixer, welding workers such as gas line welding, MIG, TIG for industries, factory workers such as furniture factory, meat industries, textile industries, garments industries, furrier, ironman, general labor, hotel and restaurant industries such as housekeeper, cleaner, Indian chef, waiter, other services such as agriculture, farmers, fruit picker, gardener, house driver, security staff, computer skill, civil engineers, telecommunication workers, high categories workers such as dental doctors, nurses, pathological technician, physiotherapist, general executive workers, accountant, business administration, officials executive. Our training activities. Thank you so much for watching. To know more about us, visit www.globalstar.com.bd.